Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be bedazzling some jeans. I'm just going to start off by figuring out how I want my design to look. Just using Microsoft Word to do this. All I did was open the text box, put my initial in it. I changed the font to Edwardian script and increased the size. When I went to overlap my letters, I realized that the background was white, so I went ahead and set it to clear. Once my background was clear, I adjusted my letters to my liking. From there, I just went ahead and freehand drew the letters the way I saw it, right onto my denim. The black pen I was using wasn't showing up well enough, so I switched over and used my white eyeliner. Now for this project, you'll have to work in little sections at a time, so only a little bit of glue and then fill in all your gems, then a little bit more glue and fill in more gems. And you will just keep going all the way until you're finished. Just as reference, this whole back pocket took me an hour to do.
We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy.
I felt like doing the pocket just wasn't enough, so I decided to draw some drips on the front pockets and fill it in with the rhinestones. As another reference, this front pocket took me about 4 hours to complete.
Honey, you like liquid honey. I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't quite get how I've been without you for all this time. Good God.
If you're using the E6000 glue for this project, just make sure you wait 72 hours before wearing it because the gems may still fall off because the glue is not set yet. But once my glue was dry, this was my final result. I love it so much. It is very, very sparkly. At this point, the jeans could be the statement piece all on their own. As of right this moment, I haven't styled these jeans yet, but make sure you guys have your notification bell turned on so you don't miss when I post a video on how I styled them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!